Have you ever had an unexpected expense, like a car repair, a medical bill, or your phone suddenly breaking, and realized you didn't have the cash to cover it? That's when an emergency fund becomes your best friend. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can build your first $1,000 emergency fund, fast. Most people think saving money is hard because they believe they need to earn more first. But the truth is, with the right plan and a few smart habits, you can build your emergency fund faster than you think. Let's start by understanding what an emergency fund really is. It's a financial cushion that protects you from unexpected expenses, the kind that could throw your budget off track or force you to use credit cards or loans. Think of it as your personal financial safety net. The goal here is simple: build $1,000 as quickly as possible. Not next year, not someday, but soon. Because the faster you have that security, the more confident and stress-free you'll feel about your money. Step 1. Set a clear goal and timeline. Don't just say, "I'll save when I can." Instead, commit to a specific target like, "I'll save $1,000 in 60 days. Having a deadline creates urgency and focus. Step 2. Open a separate savings account. Never mix your emergency fund with your regular spending account. You want this money to be a little out of reach, so you don't spend it accidentally. Many online banks even let you name your account, so call it emergency fund to remind yourself what it's for. Step 3. Track your expenses for 1 week. Before you can save, you need to know where your money is going. Write down or use an app to track every expense. You'll be surprised at how many small costs add up: coffee, takeout, or streaming services. Awareness is the first step to change. Step 4. Cut or pause non-essentials. If your goal is to build $1,000 fast, you need to free up cash flow. Cancel unused subscriptions, pause dining out, and cut small luxuries temporarily. This is not forever, it's just a focused sprint to hit your goal. Step 5. Find quick extra income. There are many ways to earn extra cash fast: deliver food, sell unused items online, take surveys, or offer a simple freelance service. Even $10 or $20 a day can add up fast toward your goal. Step 6. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer every payday, even if it's small. When saving happens automatically, it's painless. You'll reach $1,000 faster without even noticing the difference. Step 7. Keep your fund out of sight, out of mind. Avoid temptation by not checking it constantly or linking it to your debit card. The less accessible it is, the safer it stays. Step 8. Use visual motivation. Create a progress chart or tracker. Seeing your progress, like reaching $100, then $500, then $1,000, can keep you motivated. Progress is addictive when you see it. Step 9. Protect it from unnecessary withdrawals. Your emergency fund is for emergencies only. That means car repairs, medical bills, or urgent home expenses, not vacations or new gadgets. Step 10. Celebrate when you reach $1,000. This is a major milestone. You'll feel proud, confident, and financially prepared. From here, you can build toward 3 to 6 months of expenses, but your first $1,000 is the hardest and most important step. Remember, this isn't just about saving money, it's about gaining control. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind, freedom from debt, and the power to handle life's surprises without panic. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Smart Money 101, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. And if you're currently building your emergency fund, Comment below how much you've saved so far. Let's inspire each other to stay consistent and strong. Thanks for watching Smart Money 101, where we make personal finance simple, practical, and powerful. See you in the next one.